go, guys. I'm in the museum in Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer. Something you have to do. I just paid the entrance €7, not that expensive, and you got a little tour. Quite a small museum. Interesting, by the way. I found it a little expensive when it comes to the price, but it is what it is. Sorry for the flickering, if there's some. That's crazy, man. That's everything I found. So the director is can speak different languages. I took the tour. In fact, I wanted to how do you call this, interview him, but was busy with some Italian down, and let's wait for him. Seems very interesting. Many historical items have been found, and yeah, man, this go way further than the Camargue history. This is the historical, very well-known flamingo. I think this is the proper size. Felt like.
Bon allez, je te laisse.
Allez, ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Hey, do you see some bike cycling rental? There you go. So guys, you know where to rent your bicycle whenever you come to Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer. Very low season right now, but there are still some activities, no? Still very nice. There's a small market over there. Let's go have a look. This is the town hall. Let's try and get there. For now, let's have a look to the small market. Yeah, I think this is the... No, this is not the entrance. The entrance of the town hall is the other side. So... lot of spices. Beautiful spice. Chili. My God, that's amazing. This is exactly what you need. Very typical. It's a small market, but still have some very typical typical product. Those are handmade. Bonjour, c'est fait à la main? Pas du tout. Typical cheese. There you go. This is very amazing. Our country, we don't do that. But here, they roast chicken all the time. It's amazing. It comes with potatoes. No, mostly. Thanks.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Ah, good man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm from Africa.
Where are you now?
Yeah, brother. Madagascar.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Bonne journée à vous. Merci, au revoir.
There you go. So typical sausages. That's what we call saucisson. Those are, how do you call this? Dry sausage. Very tasty. Normally they eat it for, like call it aperitif. Comes with very often some dry, go over there, it's dry tomatoes. Very great. Of course they love their wine. Camargue is a wine. You see that? Very nice.
Il y a un caca là. Oh, encore Maxence. Au sol.
If you guys want some souvenir, very good. Very cool, man. Beautiful souvenir. Handmade, I guess. I hope. I'm not sure. Beautiful small market. Not many people. Just the right amount, I think. So you can take your time, chill, and visit. Maybe ask some questions. Oh, dude. If you want to start and get dangerous, that's not for me. Very cool market, I love it. Don't know what you think. So, what they normally do on the market, it's like, oh my god, the music over there. I think this is the music. We're not going to go there. Looks like the other side is going to be more like close. Okay, I'll take you back. Small village called Salt, proper lavender. Beautiful. Look at the bag. Bag is huge. I love it, man. Hey, nice to meet you. Dude, you know what you can do with that, eh? Please don't smoke it, eh? You have to, eh? You have to be careful. Thank you very much. Smells good, man. Thank you. So, how often do you come here?
Lavender.
Lavender. When do you come here? And when the market is happening? In fact,
Sorry?
when is the market happening? Every Thursday, Friday?
Today in the week.
2 days in the week.
Yes,
Which are the days?
You have
Friday, like today,
Friday,
obviously.
and
Yeah.
you have Tuesday, Lundi.
Monday.
Monday, yes.
Monday. Perfect, man. Perfect. At what time do you open normally?
Normally we open 9.
9. From 9 to 1
We
o'clock.
start to 8 and we start 9
Yes.
and we close 1.
Perfect. It's amazing.
Welcome.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
You come from
I'm gonna promote the place. Madagascar.
Madagascar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, where I'm from, Africa.
Africa, yes.
I want them to get to know the place. And
You're welcome.
yeah. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you. Good luck. This is beautiful. Man, make me hungry now. Nice.
Merci, bonne journée, bonne journée. Alors après, si vous pouvez nous porter, hein, on va voir si vous avez en main.
I thought this, I thought it was handmade, but looks like it's not handmade. This is the police. Hey, nice to meet you, police. Beautiful. Some more souvenir. So they're here on Monday and Friday, 2 days a week. And yeah, man, it's amazing. Seems to have some music later on, but I'm happy they cut it off. Or not completely, maybe. This is another more stuff, more general stuff. So over there was fruit, vegetables. Over there, more like clothes. You got some more clothes here. And see some beautiful. This is handmade. No, it's okay, man. It's okay. I can't eat this, especially sugar. It's gonna kill me. Thank you very much. How do you call this?
Chouchou.
Chouchou. Praline. Perfect. Thank you so much. Sorry?
It's a peanut with caramel.
Peanut and caramel. It's beautiful. It smells good.
Thank you. Wish you a good day.
Thank you, you too. That's how they make it. So I think they stir, put everything in there, sugar, everything, and you stir.
Yes.
All right.
Exactly. With sugar and water.
Yeah. Good. Very fresh product. Not old. Properly made, quickly made, and beautiful. You have to try this shit, man. All right, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Try it out. Kind of mix up. I like it. I kind of like it. I mean, can find everything. You can even try. Look at that. Let's go and get one. Thank you for free. Actually, very sweet.
Yes, good, good.
Absolutely good, man.
Yes.
It's amazing. Sweet. Oh. I don't like that, man. When it's still open like this, should we get something to close it? Yes. Can you close it? Because it's still open. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, bro. Sorry, this is not my business, but no. Find it very. Hey, nice to meet you. Hi there.
Crème d'ail tomate. Des fauteuils, des chaises, des
Chicken, of course.
de l'apéro, hein.
Typicals. Yeah, man, that's what I eat normally with pastis and look at the dog, man. This dog is beautiful. Oh my god. Check this out. It's an amazing dog. I love dogs, man. This one is huge, man. Can reach until, I don't know, 50 or 60 kilo. Some more. What's that? Is that more salt? Different kind of salt mixed with spices, I think.
Donc c'est pour le poisson.
Man, this may be amazing. This for fish, I think. That would be nice. This mixed with spice with chili. This is chili. This is pepper or black pepper. It's not black pepper, but I know it's pepper.
Vous faisiez d'autres quoi?
Oui, mais parce que j'ai
Amazing, man.
D'accord. Mais je peux rajouter.
I love it. Very cool stuff, man. I love spice. Look at that. That's how do you call this pepper?
Un peu d'anis.
D'accord.
Je vais rajouter du fenouil entier. D'accord. Un peu d'estragon et un peu de persil. D'accord. Très bien.
Oh, what I understand, the guy, this gentleman, does the mixer.
Alors c'est combien ça?
It mixes according to what you want. So you can put some, I don't know, man, pepper, chili, parsley, all together. That's what he's doing now.
Dans 3 sacs ou dans le même sac? Dans le même. Vous me remplissez ça, vous pesez après. Ouais, bien sûr. Donc,
Very great.
Comme ça.
Love it. Hey, very great. So that's it, man. That was the tour. Let's go to the town hall and see if we can talk with somebody who's gonna explain to us exactly, or a little bit more, what Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer is about, man. You know, it's good, it's nice when you can read it on the internet. You can ask the ChatGPT or whatever, but no. To me, it's another dimension when somebody talk to you about his own town. So I think this is the. Let's see if this is the main entrance or not. Yeah, no, I think it's this one. Was supposed to be the other one, but I think it's this one. So you guys, I I tried the temple, and my aim was to talk with a native, and they told me, you know what, for us, especially from the town hall, we need authorization, we need a letter, or at least an email to make it official for them to talk about their town. Man, I mean, I said, listen, I'm gonna do some free advertisement for you, so foreigner people might see this, might discover your town because of me, and somehow you should be the one paying me. and the lady laughed. She took it well, but she said, you know, there's nothing I can do. And I understand, because here in France, I mean, I don't know, man, I'm not sure about freedom, pure freedom. I mean, there's a good level of freedom, but people are very cautious and they don't dare to go against the grain, so they're scared about them losing their job and whatever, man. Anyway, I like it. This is south of France. This is Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer. Come and visit, man. Come and visit. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love the culture. You're gonna love the view. And today is a very gloomy. It's very gloomy. It's not busy at all. This is not the peak period, but it's very enjoyable. Look at that. We're gonna have some amazing sandwiches, pizza, quiche. Dude, you're gonna love it. Come over, seriously. It's very nice. This is very typical from the south. This is a very nice food, very typical from the south. So let's keep discovering, guys. Here I'm in the center of Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer, as you can see. It's beautiful. Very religious, how do you call this? There's a big community of Gypsy here, so they're very religious. And of course, it's gonna be church, it's gonna be horse, Spanish descendants, of course. It's gonna be a lot of Spanish descendant food, man. So should come definitely.
Quelle couleur tu veux?
On verra ça après manger. On va pas s'embêter avec ça. On a de la flamingo.
Very narrow street, guys. Gosh. I think I'm lucky to have come at this period, in fact. Can you imagine peak period? Everyone here? You can't move, man. Cookie. Look at this beautiful little shop. It's not big, but it's huge. It's beautiful. This is you're gonna love it, ladies. very great. So where shall we go? Very small, very, I found it very secluded. Everything is like, I don't know, man. I don't know if this is a church or it is a castle. One side we have Jesus Christ on the cross. The other side we got the church slash castle. I don't know, it's weird. So wait, this is a church?
Yes.
Yeah? It's not a castle?
No.
Looks like castle, no?
No. Church.
What does it look like this? You know why? You don't know? Because it's not the regular,
I don't know.
I've seen a lot of churches, they're not like this at all. I like it actually, it's very nice. Thank you very much. Very good. Let's get to the other side of the church. Okay. This is how it is. Guess this place called Place Jean 23rd. Okay. Many shops. This is a church. Looks like a castle. Looks like a castle, man. So guys, we are back in the museum. Hey, beautiful.
Vous savez, nous sommes en période préélectorale.
D'accord.
Donc il y a les droits de réserve.
D'accord.
On ne peut pas être interviewé pour relâcher des interviews. Je demandais, c'est pour ça que
Bravo,
quand vous êtes passé,
Vous avez bien fait.
je soulevais les téléphones.
Ouais.
Même pour des documentaires qui vont être transmis après élection. Donc dans
D'accord.
cette période, on est en silence.
Ah, d'accord,
Et on
tout le
peut
monde.
pas, en tant que service public. Hein.
Parfait, ouais.
Puis si vous chopez un pêcheur qui souhaite
ouais.
parler,
Ouais.
là vous pouvez.
Oui, je comprends. So guys, I'm still in the street of Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer. So I've tried several times to reach some, I would say, local official organism. Try to find somebody who could speak English, explain to us what this little town is all about. It's really well known for its Gypsy community, and I wanted to talk to them, and I want to ask them questions, you know. So crazy thing, we are in a election time which gonna run until the 15th of March. So the thing is, every related organism, every little branch of the town hall, it is the tourism board, which is which are museums, every little branch related to the town hall are forbidden to talk to media. Any media whatsoever, big media, small media. That's what I've been told. So, I mean, this is the last official answer I did get. That's a big shame because it's a beautiful town, you know. And some nice people as well, seems to me. But I don't know, man. This is a town Marwa would love. Check this out. Hear that? Here, because of the Spanish culture, they're crazy about horses. €10, very nice. Got some honey here, $7.50. Amazing. So this is a vending machine, very great, man. That's selling only local products. Amazing. You got some olives here. What is that? Salt. And then some drink, I think. Which kind of drink is that? I don't know. Man, I don't know, you guys. What you guys think about this idea? Selling. Oh, you have some saucisson as well. I don't know if you guys can see. It's here. Yeah, got different kind of product. Amazing. So make your choice here. Open up. I think this is a great idea. So what you guys think? Little vending machine. All right. Here, next to the hotel. Amazing. Amazing.